That little red light is blinking, and no matter how many times you press the button, the screen stays black. You are probably thinking your TV is dead. It is not. That blinking light is your TV talking to you, telling you exactly what is wrong. Count the blinks. Here is what every pattern means and how to fix each one. Number 6, the power reset. This is where the majority of people find their fix, and they cannot believe it was this straightforward. When your Samsung TV blinks a red light and refuses to turn on, the first thing to understand is that the TV is not necessarily broken. It has hit an error state and needs a complete power cycle to clear it. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet completely. Do not just press standby. Pull the cord out. While it is unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for 30 full seconds. This is not optional. It drains every bit of residual electricity stored in the internal capacitors and forces the TV's systems to reset from zero. Wait 30 more seconds after releasing the button, then plug the TV directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip or surge protector, and press the power button. Samsung's own official troubleshooting documentation lists this exact sequence as the #1 recommended fix for a blinking red light situation, and it resolves the issue for the majority of people who perform it correctly. Number 5, your power strip is the problem. This one surprises almost everyone who hears it, but a failing or overloaded power strip is a very common and very overlooked cause of a Samsung TV that blinks a red light and will not start up. Surge protectors and power strips wear out over time. When they fail, they can deliver inconsistent, unstable voltage to everything plugged into them. Your Samsung TV is sensitive to power quality. It needs a steady, clean flow of electricity to start up. When the power it receives is fluctuating even slightly, it cannot complete its boot sequence, and the red light blinks as a result. Unplug your TV from the power strip entirely and plug it directly into a wall outlet that you know is working. Test the outlet with a phone charger or a lamp first if you are not sure. If the TV powers on successfully with the wall outlet but not with the power strip, replace the strip immediately. Running a TV through a failing power strip is also a risk to the TV's internal components, so this is worth dealing with even after the TV is working again. Number 4, count the blinks. Your Samsung TV blinks in specific patterns on purpose. This is a built-in diagnostic system that Samsung engineers designed to communicate what is actually wrong inside the TV without needing any external tools. 2 blinks typically indicate a boot failure. The TV is trying to start up but crashing before it gets there. This is usually a software issue that a factory reset can fix. 5 blinks often point to an issue with the inverter or backlight circuit. The screen may stay dark even when the TV is technically on. 6 blinks generally indicate an issue with the power supply board, the component that regulates power flowing to everything inside the TV. 10 blinks almost always signal a serious mainboard failure that typically requires professional repair. Write down exactly how many times your red light blinks in each cycle. That number is the key to knowing whether you are dealing with a software problem you can fix at home or a hardware issue that needs a technician. Comment below with your exact blink count. We will reply with your specific diagnosis and the right fix for your model. Number 3, disconnect everything connected to the TV. External devices connected through HDMI are a frequently overlooked trigger for a red light blinking loop on Samsung TVs. A gaming console, streaming stick, cable box, or soundbar that is malfunctioning, incorrectly configured, or sending a bad signal through the HDMI cable can prevent the TV from completing its startup sequence entirely. Unplug every single HDMI cable from the back of your TV. Disconnect any USB devices, optical audio cables, and antennas as well. Strip it back to the power cord and nothing else. Now, attempt to power the TV on. If the red light stops blinking and the TV boots up successfully, you have found the root cause. One of those connected devices was the problem. Reconnect them one at a time, powering the TV on between each reconnection until the blinking returns. The last device you connected before the blinking came back is the one causing the issue. This works because some devices push a signal through the HDMI connection even when powered off, and that interference can prevent the TV from initializing properly. Number 2, update the firmware through USB. If the red light blinks in a pattern that suggests a software issue, particularly 2 blinks or a boot loop, and the TV will not stay on long enough to update wirelessly, a USB firmware update is the way through. Go to Samsung's official website on your phone or computer and navigate to the support section. Search for your specific TV model number, which is printed on a sticker on the back of the TV. Download the latest firmware file for that model and transfer it to a USB drive formatted to FAT32. Plug the USB drive into the TV while it is powered off. Power the TV on and it will detect the firmware file automatically and begin the installation process. The TV may restart several times during the update. This is normal. Do not unplug it during this process. Samsung engineers release firmware updates specifically to fix startup bugs, red light blink errors, and boot loop issues. Running outdated firmware on a TV that is already showing error codes is like running a car with a known mechanical warning and no service. Number 1, factory reset using the physical buttons. If the TV powers on partially, reaches the Samsung logo, shows a brief flash of screen, or responds at all, You can often force a factory reset without a remote using the physical buttons on the TV body itself. With the TV plugged in, locate the physical power button on the TV. Press and hold it for approximately 15 seconds. On some Samsung models, this brings up a reset menu directly on screen. On others, you will need to use a combination of the volume and channel buttons on the TV body to navigate. Check Samsung's support site for your specific model number to find the exact button sequence. A factory reset wipes all stored settings and software configurations, giving the TV a completely clean slate. If the blink pattern pointed to a software issue, the TV will come back on normally after the reset completes. If none of these steps have resolved the issue and the red light continues to blink in the same pattern, the internal power board or main board has likely failed, and professional service is the necessary next step.